Solve the following equations. Here, our goal is to solve this algebraic equation. Indeed, we have 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x minus 1, and that is equal to 128. Notice that we have 4, and we express 4 as 2 to the power of 2. And notice that we have this exponent right here, and we have this exponent, and we're going to multiply these two exponents. And so we say 2 multiplied by x minus 1. We add 2 on the inside, and so we put 2 on the outside. And so we have 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Next, we remove the parentheses. Notice that we had parentheses here and here, which we remove, and we add this parentheses, which we also remove, and the parentheses here we also remove. Next, we say that we are going to multiply 2 raised to the power of x and 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x minus 1. And so when we multiply them, we notice that this term and this term have the same base. What is the same base? 2 is the base of both of these terms. And so whenever you're multiplying two terms that have the same base, again, whenever you're multiplying two terms that have the same base, you must add the powers. And so we say x plus 2 times x minus 1. So that's x plus 2 times x minus 1. And so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 times x minus 1. And that should equal to 128. Next, we say, okay, how can we express 128 in a different way, where 128 is expressed as a number whose base is 2. And so we say that 2 raised to the power of 7 is 128. So we express 128 as 2 raised to the power of 7. And so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 7. Now, if you have the same base, all right, if you have the same base, then the powers are equal. Again, if you have the same base, right, and in this case, the base is 2. If you have the same base, then the powers are equal. And so that means that this exponent is equal to 7. And so we equate them. We say x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 7. Again, x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 7. Next, we distribute. We say 2 times x, and we say 2 times negative 1. And so we have 2 times x, which gives us 2x, and 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. And so we have x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 7. And so let's solve this equation. What do we do? Well, we add x plus 2x, and x plus 2x is 3x, and we bring down the negative 2. So we say 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. Again, 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. Next, we take negative 2 and we send it over the equal sign. And so we have 3x is equal to 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? Well, 7 plus 2 is definitely 9. So we have 3x is equal to 9. We divide both sides of this equation by 3. And so this 3 cancel with this 3. So we are left with x is equal to 9 divided by 3. And 9 divided by 3 is definitely 3. And so that means that x is equal to 3 is the solution to this equation. And that's the answer to this question.